Section 1. Unlock your earning potential. Turn expertise into income with online courses. Do you have valuable knowledge to share? Are you passionate about helping others learn and grow? Online courses offer an incredible opportunity to turn your expertise into passive income. Imagine reaching a global audience, impacting lives, and generating revenue while you sleep. This is the power of online courses. In today's digital age, people are hungry for convenient, accessible learning experiences. Online courses provide the perfect solution, allowing individuals to learn at their own pace from anywhere in the world. By creating and selling online courses, you can tap into this growing market and unlock your earning potential. Whether you're a seasoned professional, a creative entrepreneur, or a passionate hobbyist, there's an audience eager to learn from you. Sharing your knowledge through online courses empowers you to make a difference while building a sustainable income stream. Get ready to embark on a rewarding journey as we explore the steps to transform your expertise into a thriving online course business. Section 2. The booming world of online education. Why your course matters. The online education market is booming. More people than ever are turning to online courses for professional development, personal growth, and skill enhancement. This surge in demand presents a lucrative opportunity for anyone with specialized knowledge to share. Creating an online course allows you to position yourself as an expert in your field. You can reach a global audience, build a community of engaged learners, and establish your authority. Unlike traditional education models, online courses offer flexibility and accessibility, making them appealing to a wider audience. Moreover, online courses provide incredible scalability. Once created, your course can be sold repeatedly without requiring additional effort. This passive income stream can generate consistent revenue, freeing you to focus on creating more valuable content or pursuing other passions. As the demand for online education continues to rise, now is the perfect time to join this thriving market and make your mark. Section 3. Finding your winning course. Idea. Profit from your passions. Choosing the right course topic is crucial for attracting a dedicated audience and ensuring your course's success. The key is to identify a subject that aligns with your expertise, passion, and market demand. Start by brainstorming your skills, knowledge, and experiences. What are you naturally good at? What topics do people frequently ask for your advice on? Once you have a list of potential ideas, conduct thorough market research, explore online course platforms, social media groups, and forums to understand current trends and audience interests. Look for topics with high demand but low competition to maximize your chances of success. Consider the profitability of your course idea. Research pricing models for similar courses and assess the potential revenue based on your target audience and marketing strategy. Remember, a successful online course solves a specific problem or fulfills a particular need for your audience. By choosing a topic that aligns with your passions and market demand, you'll be well on your way to creating a profitable and impactful online course. Section 4. Crafting your online course. From content to creation. With your course topic solidified, it's time to bring your vision to life. This involves outlining your content, selecting the right tools, and focusing on high-quality production. Begin by organizing your course material into modules and lessons. Each module should cover a specific theme, while lessons delve into individual concepts or skills. Choose user-friendly tools for course creation, hosting, and marketing. Popular options include platforms like Teachable, Thinkific, and Kajabi, which offer intuitive interfaces and comprehensive features. When producing your course content, prioritize quality over quantity. High-quality video and audio are essential for keeping students engaged. Invest in a good microphone and camera, or consider hiring a professional for production assistance. Keep your lessons concise, actionable, and visually appealing to enhance the learning experience. Remember, your goal is to create a transformative journey for your students. Section 5. Sharing your knowledge. Marketing your online course for success. Creating exceptional course content is only half the battle. To attract students and generate revenue, you need a solid marketing strategy. Leverage the power of social media to promote your course. Engage with your target audience and build anticipation for your launch. Share valuable content related to your course topic, offer sneak peeks behind the scenes, and run contests or giveaways to generate buzz. Email marketing is another effective way to connect with potential students. Build an email list by offering valuable freebies related to your course topic and nurture your subscribers with informative and engaging content. When your course launches, leverage the power of customer reviews and testimonials to build trust and credibility. Encourage satisfied students to share their positive experiences, as social proof can significantly impact purchasing decisions. Remember, marketing is an ongoing process. Continuously analyze your results, experiment with different strategies, and adapt your approach based on what resonates most with your target audience. By embracing these marketing techniques, you can effectively reach your ideal students and turn your knowledge into a thriving online business.